Look at Kayla walking. Oh, come on,
Come on, baby. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. You come on.
Look at her walking.
Yay!
That's spectacular.
Oh, hooray!
Wow.
That is
Told ya.
spectacular. Kayla's walking.
Now she doesn't want to hold on to me.
No.
11 months.
Do it again, Erica. Don't let's stop now. Do it
Yeah,
again.
balance, so she stays.
Turn around.
Good
That's a
girl.
great-
Erica, go up here and do it again.
No, she's...
No, don't let her stop right now.
Come on. Come on, Kayla.
Get over here, Pop-Up. She needs you.
Kayla, come on.
Come on.
Yeah, look at
Yay! She's running.
Oh, she's trying to run, Erica.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right, come on back.
Come to Grandpa.
Come on.
Come to Grandpa. Come on. Come to Grandpa. Go slow, go slow, go slow.
Good girl.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's amazing.
Isn't that hysterical? She walks.
Yay. Now she just wants to get down and walk.
Let her walk. Don't stop her. This is it.
That was beautiful, Erica.
Oh, thanks,
All
Pop.
right, I'm rolling.
All right, come on.
Hooray! Hooray!
Come to me.
Who's so big? Go to Mama.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good.
Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, my
Yay!
Come on. Come on, baby. You can do
Come
it.
on.
Come on, baby.
Come to Mama and Nana and Pop-Up. Come on.
Come on.
Charlie,
Come
you
on.
can't see me, Charlie. Come on, Kayla.
Come on, Kay.
Come on, Kayla.
I don't know if she could turn
Come on,
around.
Kayla. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Look
Good
at-
girl.
Come on. Hooray.
Good girl.
You're
Yay.
amazing.